technology known as artificial intelligence gives computers the ability to think like humans and carry out complicated jobs. Its curse is unpredictable, with spikes in interest and leaps in enthusiasm. AI-generated art is art created with the assistance of artificial intelligence. This approach typically makes use of algorithms that can learn from data inputs and generate original, imaginative artwork. AI art tools are programs that make use of artificial intelligence to assist in the creation of visual art. While robots have surpassed people in industrial production, AI-powered information revolutions are automating mental functions, endangering occupations. These tools use machine learning and algorithms to create or improve artwork, making it more approachable for both artists and non-artists. Because machines can digest information more quickly, store more data, and access the internet instantly, they will eventually exceed humans.
I'm an artist.
Do you consider yourself as an artist, non-artist, or an AI artist?
For me, I'm an artist. Artist pa.
How do you view AI art?
Well, first off, AI artist, parang negatively ang tingin ko sa may AI art. Kasi, first off, nisi-scale po nila ang art style ng mga artists, which is part of identity nila yon. So, pag nisi-scale ko yung AI, yung art style ng mga artists, it's like taking part of their identity to make something na hindi naman on brand or signature ng mga arts nila. And also, kinukuha din po ng AI mga ideas na hindi naman na sapat sa mga parang sa community natin. Like, pwede din kunin yung art style ng artist saka gumawa sila ng negative arts.
Do you think that the machine is to blame for this?
Personally, hindi. Kasi ginawa ang AI to innovate. Para makaano tayo sa... Kasi since 21st century, like, madami ng nangyayari, mas nag-advance ang technology natin. So, ang masasabi ko, it's the people who use the machine.
What do you think is the biggest impact of AI art tools on students?
First off, hindi naman kasi lahat ng mga students artists. So, and also, since students, hindi naman tayo, like, wala tayong masyadong free time kasi madami tayong activities, saka puno ang mga events calendar natin. So, for me, to lessen the time na ipuput natin ang effort sa mga artists, I think okay naman ang AI. Basta ayusin lang ang pag-push mo.
How do you feel about AI art being used in contests or exhibitions?
To be honest, if ganun, wag naman contest. Kasi, ang contest kasi, or mga exhibition, diba?
Yes.
Hiniheld yan, or hinohold para ipakita kung sino yung mga artists, para i-promote yung nila, mga gawa nila. So pag ang AI nakapunta sa contest or exhibit, parang wala lang naman yung purpose.
Should there be limits on how AI art tools are used in art? Why or why not?
To be honest, dapat may limit po talaga ang paggamit ng AI. Kasi, for me, gumagamit lang ako ng AI for reference. Like, kunwari, color scheme, mga ideas, para paggamit ng elements, mga ganun. Pero pag gumagamit kayo ng AI art for something negative, or talaga, parang ginagamit natin yung art para piniplagiarize natin. Like, kunwari, ay, ako nang gumawa nito. Tsaka, like, parang, or kaya, tinitrace yung AI art, tsaka sinasabi mo, ay, ako talaga gumawa nito. Tsaka, hindi ako gumamit ng AI art. So, ayun talaga dapat i-limit natin.
How do you think students should respond to the rise of AI-generated art?
For me, katulad po yung sinabi ko po kanina, ako kasi gumagamit lang ako ng AI art for reference lang. Hindi naman dapat, although hindi naman lahat ng students ay artists, pero gusto ko lang naman ma-aware ng students na wag po silang gumamit ng AI art na grabe na talaga. Ganun. Like, parang, minsan kasi parang nawawala na sila ng creativity or hindi na sila nakaka-innovate ng new ideas para ilagay po nila sa may ano nila, sa works nila. Kasi minsan, masyado na tayo nagde-depend sa AI. Kaya, hindi na masyado nagagamit yung ano natin, yung creativity and cognitive.
How does the use of AI art tools affect the meaning or value of art?
Well, first off, ang AI, ano siya, ginawa siya to perfect. Pero, ngayon, hindi naman siya perfect. Pero, may some cases na parang generator or apps na perfect na talaga. Pero, ang problema doon is, wala silang personality, mga ganun. Kaya, yun lang.
Do you think AI art tools are helpful or harmful to creativity?
Yes, sinabi ko kanina. Yes po, harmful po talaga sa creativity natin kasi nagde-depend na tayo sa AI and di na tayo parang nag-iisip talaga ng original concept natin para mga arts.
I think I consider myself as an artist na lang.
Do you consider yourself as an artist, non-artist, or an AI artist?
I think I consider myself as an artist na lang.
How do you view AI art?
AI art, I think it is detrimental to our society. AI art itself is something that shouldn't be introduced to the world, I guess. Kasi ang main purpose ng art is for humans to be able to create with their own style, with their own hands. And if AI art is used or is more valuable than the art of human beings itself or themselves, I think mawawala ng value yung art. Kasi nga, yung mga tao mas gagamitin na yung AI art. Yeah.
Do you think that the machine is to blame for this?
The machine itself is not to blame. It's the inventor to blame. Kasi nga, wala naman yung machine kung wala yung nag-invent, diba? So I think it's up to us humans if ipagpapatuloy natin yung AI art. But I think the machine is not to blame.
What do you think is the biggest impact of AI art tools on students?
The biggest impact of AI tools on students is it can cause laziness. First of all, it can cause laziness to do real art kasi nga magsa-search na lang. Then, lalabas na yung AI art. Though, hindi ko pa naman natatry if paano talaga siya gawin. Pero I think ganun yun. Like, magpa-pop up na lang yung AI art bigla. Then, number 2 is it can cause hindi na magiging creative yung students kasi mag-rely na lang sila sa AI art or AI tools in order to come up with ideas. Yun.
How do you feel about AI art being used in contests or exhibitions?
As an artist myself na nag-create talaga ng art with effort, maraming effort, and with years para ma-build up yung skills, I feel so offended by the fact that that concept even exists. Kasi nga, AI art used for contests, hindi naman siya, hindi siya, like, justifiable, I think, for me as an artist.
Should there be limits on how AI tools are used in art? Why or why not?
Yes, of course, there should be limits on using AI tools. AI tools, for me, pwede siya magamit, but not for contests, for uploading, like, art for your social media ngaya, ganon. It can be used lang for concepts, parang mag-ano ka lang ng inspiration, like taking mga
photographs or kaya looking at the sceneries just for inspiration. 100% for inspiration lang and not to plagiarize.
How do you think students should respond to the rise of AI-generated art?
I think it's up to them kung paano sila mag-respond. It's totally up for them. Kung binabali nila yung art, I think they should respond to it negatively. But if they are not artists, I think kasi mas magkakaroon ng positive impact yun sa kanila kasi one click lang magkakaroon na sila ng art. Pero sa mga artists naman, it can greatly have a negative impact.
How does the use of AI art tools affect the meaning or value of art?
It can affect the meaning or value of art kasi nga, as I said earlier, if we use AI art in order to create art, which intended for us humans na mag-create kasi nga, art itself, yun. The use of AI art tools can affect the value of art because it can make such a rigorous process of making art into a very easy and simple way na lang na just click and then mag-generate na.
Do you think AI art tools are helpful or harmful to creativity?
It dun ako sa negative side, like it can greatly it can affect negatively yung mga art. I think AI art is harmful to creativity kasi nga yun, it can hinder the creative minds of people. It can cause like magiging easy na lang yung mga processes ng pag-create ng art and mag-rely na lang sila mostly sa AI tools. Hindi na nila masyadong gagamitan yung own creativity nila.
I consider myself as an artist.
Do you consider yourself as an artist, non-artist, or an AI artist?
I consider myself as an artist since I use traditional and digital arts.
How do you view AI art?
I view AI art as my view on AI art is very neutral, but it really depends on the person who's using it. Because AI art is used it is programmed to help people, but the people is the problem.
Do you think that the machine is to blame for this?
Just like what I said earlier, the machine is not to blame because it really depends on humans, because humans are the one who instruct AI to do what they to get what they need. Like first they just click instruct and click again and boom, now they have what they want. And it's really on humans, like how they use the machine, because humans should be responsible in using AI art instead of abusing its use.
What do you think is the biggest impact of AI art tools on students?
Well, AI art can also visually help students to create something by using it as a reference, but it really depends on the person, because if the student is irresponsible and lazy, they'll just use AI art as their output without doing some effort and just copy paste no effort at all. And instead of investing their time on an artwork, they'll just do the easy way, the shortcut of stealing art, or using AI art, stealing art from AI.
How do you feel about AI art being used in contests or exhibitions?
I'm really against that. Imagine all of your competitors in a contest really use their effort to create a masterpiece. They spend a lot of years and hours to be an expert in that field, or yes, they're really skilled at art, and they'll just like do a shortcut like copying and just typing, then you have an art, and it's like stealing, since it should be not valid, like it should be against the rules of an art contest. Like art contests should be more strict about that. Like they should really put rules about AI art. Like they should require that the contestants should not use AI art. Like also they should also request a video of their process of making the art, if it's like a digital art contest, instead of just like submitting it to them. It should really have proof, and the process should be shown to the audiences and the judges, so that it will be more there will be more proof for them, because it's really unfair that AI artists wins first place, even though there's no effort applied, they even have no skill, they are still issue people, and they don't even do anything at all, and they earn money. It's really unfair, because yeah, first place, of course, some judges are not really experts in art, like they're quite naive about AI art, so we should really spread awareness about AI art, because some judges are really uneducated about that AI art. Because I've seen a lot of Facebook posts about AI art, and there's some people that won AI art contests are actually AI artists that just use AI, compared to their competitors that is second place or third place. It's really traditional art, but it's really unfair that the first place was created by AI instead of the human, and the person still get the credits and the rewards instead of the second placer and the third placer, which is really unfair. Like, I'm utterly disappointed on AI artists abusing its use in contests.
Should there be limits on how AI tools are used in art? Why or why not?
There should actually, it should have a limit, because if people abuse AI art and use it on performance tasks, assignments, activities, and contests, it's really quite unfair to some artists that really put effort and time, and like real artists really invest their time on art and really wasted their money, like art materials and their art mediums that is used to create art, like oil paints and canvases. It's really expensive, and AI artists just do it for free, or some platforms requires a payment for their app, but it's really still unfair, because there's no effort applied to art, because art is meant to be meaningful and art should be full of effort and meaning. Because as an artist, I invest a lot of my time on the creation I make, like every art I make, like digital art and traditional art. Like it always took me hours to finish and make an artwork, and AI artist just uses probably 1 minute just to finish their work, and it's really unfair for students that really put effort, instead of like trying their best to do art, instead of exploiting the AI platforms. It's really unfair.
How do you think students should respond to the rise of AI-generated art?
Students, actually, we should spread awareness about AI art and also educate them how to use it, because abusing AI platforms can lead to harmful things and also unfair things too, because if we don't educate the new generation about it, probably the future will be doomed, because a lot of people will use AI art instead of making their own art, which is really unfair to artists. And of course, AI art also is very harmful to artists, because imagine, instead of hiring skilled and expert artists, they'll just use AI to make art. And it's really unfair to artists that master art, or even like that's their specialized work, because they're specialized at it, like, yeah, expert at that field, since they really work hard to get to be a professional artist. There's like fine arts graduates from fine arts, and they'll just hire they'll not even hire people. They'll just use AI instead of hiring an expert. Like, for example, architects, instead of like 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 for example, instead of hiring an architect to create your design for your house, just use AI art, because it is efficient and easy and free. But it's really unfair to people that work hard to get a degree from college, because college is really hard, and they'll just like use AI art. It's really unfair. And plus, AI art just steals work from other artists from the internet, and just like make it different, changes the style, changes the color scheme, and etc.
How does the use of AI art tools affect the meaning or value of art?
Well, AI art is utterly meaningless, because it doesn't even convey any meaning, since it's created by a robot, not by a real person. And yes, robots don't have feelings, so it's just like the robot is copying the work from other artists, because yes, robots don't have feelings, and they don't know how to express feelings and create art, because it's just like encoded to make something, instead of like finding meaning or like doing it because of feelings. Meanwhile, art is really expressed by artists, like, for example, because artworks made by real artists really has deep meanings. By looking at its pictures, it's very detailed, very meaningful, very vibrant, compared to AI art, because AI art kind of looks samey and doesn't really like emphasize something meaningful. And yeah, the repetitive pattern of AI art, like, it's too repetitive. The art style, the features, it's so unrealistic. It doesn't even convey anything from reality, since it's created by a robot. But if it's created by a true artist, it is very meaningful. And yes, the messages from the artwork is well emphasized in a canvas or a medium that is displayed on a museum. And behind every art there's meaning, and it's not just because it was encoded by someone or built. It is really from experience, suffering and more context and etc. Like, yeah, that's why let's say that real art is more realistic because it really focuses on real life issues and real life real life real life situations.
Do you think AI art tools are helpful or harmful to creativity?
Well, it is quite harmful to creativity because, but yes, AI can be used for good. Like, for example, using it as reference because, yeah, you're having art block because you don't have probably can't think about anything. You can use it as a reference, but you should not use it to create a whole artwork, like the art style, everything, like getting everything from the aspects of the AI art. But why not just use it as a reference? Like observe the how the process. Since I really struggle from drawing poses and perspective in art. Like, yeah, I really struggle. So I just use AI art to base how to draw poses since I'm really bad at drawing poses. But I create my original characters by observing people and what they look like. Yeah, that's why I kind of benefit from it a little. But yeah, AI art is still harmful because, well, it's not really the machine's fault though, but yeah, it's harmful because if there is a machine, of course, people will use it because, yes, I observed that a lot of people are getting lazy in doing things, especially in art, so they just use AI art. Just by one click, then you have a result of AI art. Yeah, I really think that people should be educated to use AI art because if we don't educate the new generation, I think it will be harmful to all of us because doesn't just harm people. It doesn't just harm the company itself, but also harms some workers that instead of getting hired, they're not getting hired because people use AI art instead to create something instead of hiring an expert, which is very harmful. And a lot of people might lose their job because of AI art, especially architects.
I consider myself an artist.
Do you consider yourself as an artist, non-artist, or an AI artist?
I consider myself an artist, but not an artist in colors or anything that a traditional artist that people may seem. I don't consider myself I don't consider myself non-artist or an AI artist. I consider myself as an artist of words. I like to compliment myself with writing essays, poems, and etc.
How do you view AI art?
I view AI art as lazy, sometimes incoherent and abstract, because the way it is crafted or the way it's made by the AI in itself.
Do you think that the machine is to blame for this?
Whether AI art is considered lazy or it really isn't to blame for anything. I think the core reason for this is that AI wasn't created by itself. It was created by the human. So I don't think that AI is to blame for this preconceived notion that it's lazy. I think the one to blame is the people that created AI in itself, because if not for the want of humanity to make things easier for us in creating art, etc., essays, AI wouldn't exist at all.
What do you think is the biggest impact of AI art tools on students?
less work.
How do you feel about AI art being used in contests or exhibitions?
Stupid.
Should there be limits on how AI tools are used in art? Why or why not?
So, I don't think that, but a way that a student gets his or her or they them's inspiration at something shouldn't be capped or tawag dun, should not be stopped in any way. But there should still be limits in a way that AI can't be the defining feature of your art project or etc. Like 80% of that work that you just made was done by AI and 20%. So in regards to that, there should be limits in some say in art projects and PTs.
How do you think students should respond to the rise of AI generated art?
The students respond to rise of AI generated art by trying to use it or copy it. But I think that students should try to learn on what are the effects of AI generated art and how this couldn't be any more genuine than them just trying to search it up. AI, because this is asking for my opinion on how should students respond. I respond. For me, students should respond with a grain of salt, knowing that AI isn't actually making the original ideas from them. For them, it's taking bits and pieces about of formerly created art piece and just putting it into one, mixing it into one to give them that idea. So
How does the use of AI art tools affect the meaning or value of art?
it literally hindi naman nabababa yung image ng art sa ibang paggamit ng tao kasi kumbaga kung makita ka ng art piece tas you ask AI to recreate that, syempre may mga babagong dyan na in which it's not genuine at all, kagaya ng mga sinabi ko. Inaapektuhan yung art in which na-water down yung quality nila. Kasi art is about self-expression. How can you get self-expression from technology or hindi naman technology, from an AI? It's artificial intelligence. You can't get genuine artworks, or if you want genuine artworks, you can't get it from artificial beings. So,
Do you think AI art tools are helpful or harmful to creativity?
it depends on the user for me. So, as I said, that students should make it more of a 80-20 on their is that they should only take inspiration from AI artworks rather than making it their whole presentation or project. I think they're a bit of both. First of all, to the students that use AI correctly, i.e. those who just take inspiration from it, it's helpful for them. It's like Pinterest or something if you're going to make an artwork or such. And I think it's very harmful because for me it deletes creativity or it removes creativity for the person that's using it. All in all, it removes creativity entirely for the person that's using it if used wrong.
Do you consider yourself as an artist, non-artist, or an AI artist?
I consider myself as a non-artist.
How do you view AI art?
Well, for me, AI art tools are just AI or artificial intelligence that generates images.
Do you think that the machine is to blame for this?
In some way, yes. Because sometimes hindi naman exact yung pag-translate ng kung ano yung mini-mean natin sa AI. For example, if ako mag-input ng something, iba naman yung naiisip nung AI. So I think in some cases, yes.
What do you think is the biggest impact of AI art tools on students?
Well, for me, I don't really often use AI art tools, pero I do use them sometimes. And ang impacts niya sa akin is for inspiration. Like,
for example, nagkakaroon ako ng art block for a project, usually I consult AI art tools for inspiration. Like, for example, color scheme nga yan. Like, I like this color scheme, yun na yung gagamitan ko. So, basically, for inspiration ang importance niya sa akin.
How do you feel about AI art being used in contests or exhibitions?
In terms of contest, I think it's unfair na gumamit ng AI art tools kasi in time context, pag gumamit ka ng AI art tools, madali lang siya, like mabilisan. But yung man-made talaga or human-made art is parang matagal talaga yung process niya, like hours or even days, I think, ang sinispend nila when it comes to artwork. And in terms of exhibitions naman, like if i-display mo nga yung art na ginawa ng AI and art na ginawa ng human is, I can tell which is AI and which is not AI kasi iba yung feeling na ini-express ng art na gawa ng AI sa gawa ng human. So parang may difference pa rin talaga siya when it comes to exhibition of art.
Should there be limits on how AI tools are used in art? Why or why not?
Yes, I think there should be a limit. Like, kasi kung lagi kang gagamit ng AI art tools, magiging stagnant yung skills mo sa art. If artist ka man, magiging stagnant yung skills mo. And I think it should be limited din kasi if lagi kang gumagamit ng art tools, it would be considered as plagiarism.
How do you think students should respond to the rise of AI-generated art?
If students will use AI art tools, I think they should use it responsibly. Kasi yun na nga, as I've said earlier, if gagamit lang sila ng gagamit ng AI art tools, is parang mas magre-rely lang sila sa AI art tools and parang mapababayaan na lang nila yung skills ng creativity nila. Like, hindi na mag-flow siya masyado. Kasi parang, wala na, stagnant na yung skills nila sa art. And I think the new generation should limit talaga the use of art. Tapos parang, mas pairalin nila yung own creativity nila.
How does the use of AI art tools affect the meaning or value of art?
Actually, if ako, pakitaan nyo ko ng dalawang image, yung isa AI art, tapos yung isa man-made, makikita mo talaga yung difference niya. Kasi, kung ako, for example, artist ako, every stroke ng brush ko is my meaning. If i-compare mo siya sa art ng isang AI, parang ang flat niya lang tingnan or kulang siya ng depth. And if gawa siya mismo ng tao, makikita mo talaga yung meaning niya, like every detail has their own meaning. Kaya parang, ayun, may parang different meaning talaga sila.
For the last question, do you think AI art tools are helpful or harmful to creativity?
In some cases, yes. Kasi as I've said earlier, helpful siya sa akin personally kasi I use it for inspiration. Inspiration I'll emphasize inspiration, not like using it literally. Pero it's also harmful kasi yun na nga, nagiging stagnant na yung skills ng student to the point na wala na silang creativity and they just rely on using AI art.
I consider myself a non-artist.
Do you consider yourself as an artist, non-artist, or an AI artist?
I consider myself a non-artist.
How do you view AI art?
For me I'm a little bit in between for AI art because I don't usually use it and the people I'm close with don't usually use it. So I'm in between with AI art.
Do you think that the machine is to blame for this?
No kasi the machine is just doing what it's told to be programmed to do. Yung tao pa naman ang nagbibigay sa kanya ng mga prompts and instructions so it's not the machine's fault.
What do you think is the biggest impact of AI art tools on students?
I think its impact on students. When it comes to artists kasi parang may mga kilala po akong artist na parang parang sa tingin nila disrespectful sa kanilang art because nga artist nga sila and parang alam mo po nila ang time and effort na pinagdadaanan nila para lang po gumawa ng art. Kaya pag may nakita po silang AR art or AI generated art, parang disrespectful po yun sa kanila.
How do you feel about AI art being used in contests or exhibitions?
Very against it po ako because a competition is based on someone's effort and skills, their time, their blood, sweat, and tears kung ano po ang parang pinor into po nila dyan. And as someone po na nag-enter na din po sa, hindi po art competition, pero competition itself, I think ang AI-generated art, hindi ibig sabihin na naglagay ka lang ng prompt doon, considered mo gawa mo na yun, wala ka pong ginawang effort doon.
Should there be limits on how AI tools are used in art? Why or why not?
I think yes po because kagaya po ng sinabi ko, people lose their parang nawawalan po sila ng creativity pag gumagamit po sila ng AI art. AI art itself is not bad, but when you use it to the point na parang nagre-rely ka na lang po sa kanya to kunwari po mga performance tasks niyo po or project, parang nawawalan na po yung sense of usefulness niya.
How do you think students should respond to the rise of AI-generated art?
For me po, for myself as a student, I think they should use it in moderation. Kagaya po ng ibang AI generated tools po, hindi lang po art. Kailangan po nila maging responsible pag gumagamit po ng mga AI tools.
How does the use of AI art tools affect the meaning or value of art?
So, for me, art is not just about its visual appeal because it's all about the intellectual and the background of art itself na parang binigyan po ng meaning ng artist, parang there's a reason kung bakit ginawa nila yun. Pero ang AI art naman po parang bigyan mo lang siya ng instructions, gagawin niya yun, wala pong meaning, wala pong depth pag ganun po.
Do you think AI art tools are helpful or harmful to creativity?
I think not po because parang alam kong parang contradictory yung sinabi ko. Pero for me po kasi, hindi naman siya harmful in a way na parang nakakasira siya ng creativity. May some cases po na may kilala po ako na ginagamit niya lang po yung AI art as parang reference po or parang ini-inspire niya po. Parang hindi naman po ginagamit yung AI art as parang sinasubmit niya na po. Parang nagsesearch lang po siya ng mga references or inspiration po dun sa art na yun. So it's not technically harmful, it's just the way how we use it.
Do you consider yourself as an artist, non-artist, or an AI artist?
I consider myself as an AI artist kasi doon ko lang ma-express yung mga naano ko by saying na doon ko na itatype yung mga visions ko, yung mga feelings ko, tapos yung AI na lang yung gagawa ng art na yon, like i-generate na lang niya, hindi na ako yung mismo mag-aano. But still, yes, I consider myself as an AI artist.
How do you view AI art?
I view AI art as an expressive and contemporary art kasi doon pa lang makikita mo na yung mga vivid colors, yung mga meaning ng colors doon, yung mga shapes and other figures na doon kung saan doon mo dinescribe yung sinabi mong description doon. Tapos, hindi lang yun kasi ikaw mismo gagawa ng title ng art na yun, tapos yung description, anong meaning ng art na yun, ano yung meaning nun sa'yo, tapos sa iba. Kasi lahat naman tayo may sari-sariling description when it comes to viewing an art. Yeah.
What do you think is the biggest impact of AI art tools on students?
I think yung biggest impact ng AI art tools sa student is minsan every time na may papasubmit yung isang teacher na kunwari make your own art about ganyan. Minsan nai-abuse na nila yung kasi doon pa lang hindi na nila na-express yung creativity nila tapos originality, and sometimes doon nila inaano na sarili nila yon, hindi man lang nila inaano parang sasabi na AI art yon.
How do you feel about AI art being used in contests or exhibitions?
I think yung ko doon kapag ginagamit yung AI art sa contests or exhibitions, for me parang nakakadiri kasi doon pa lang hindi mo na makikita yung creativity tapos originality ng art. Parang ginagawa mo lang na sayo lang, hindi mo man lang sasabi na AI art to, anong app yung ginamit mo or anong website para magawa yung art na yun. Doon kasi when it comes to exhibitions or artists, doon mo dapat i-express yung creativity mo, tapos yung vision mo para may isabi mo na sa'yo yun kasi doon pa lang kapag kasi distorted figures and things, makikita mo na AI yun. Para even though nasabihin mo sa'yo yun, when it comes to competition or artist, ngayon pa lang, parang disencourage naman yun. Yeah.
Should there be limits on how AI tools are used in art? Why or why not?
Yes, kasi kapag mo kasi inabuse yung isang AI art, lalo na kung yun nga, isasubmit mo, ipapasa mo sa contest, doon bawal na yun kasi when it comes to contests and projects, art projects, kailangan mo doon i-express yung creativity mo. Kailangan mo gamitin yung imagination mo, yung creativity mo para makagawa ng art. Pero naman, kung ano lang naman, kung eme lang ngaya, doon, parang okay lang naman, basta may limit yon. Wag mo lang i-gamitin sa contest, tapos sa mga art projects kasi considered na yun as plagiarism.
How does the use of AI art tools affect the meaning or value of art?
Doon, when it comes to meaning and value of art, yung impact ng isang AI art sa values tapos meaning ng art, doon pa lang, parang, like sinabi ko kanina, parang isasabi mo lang naman doon yung mga description, yung vision mo, kung anong feeling ng art na yun, anong genre, sino yung mga nakapaloob doon. Doon pala, parang sasabihin mo lang naman kung ang description nun. Pero when it comes to impact nun sa meaning tapos ng art, I think di naman masyadong malaki kasi AI art, doon pa lang sa word na art, nandoon na it is considered na art pero but still, may limit. Yes.
Do you think AI art tools are helpful or harmful to creativity?
Both for me, kasi helpful siya kasi doon pa lang parang doon mo ma-express yung feelings mo kapag di ka marunong mag drawing or magpinta mismo. Pero naman kasi siya harmful kasi doon pa lang pwede ka nang ng plagiarism kapag ginamit mo siya sa contest tapos exhibitions, art projects. Pero naman kasi helpful naman siya kasi doon, pwede mo rin naman siya magamit yung mismong AI art mo. Pwede mo naman siyang i-redraw doon mismo, i-try mo man lang para doon ma-express mo man lang. Tapos harmful naman siya kasi doon pa lang may limit na. Kaya nga nasabi nila, wag mong don't abuse AI kasi hindi naman lagi matutulungan ka kasi minsan pare-pareho lang naman yung sagot na maibibigay sa'yo. Pare-pareho lang din naman yung ma-generate sa yung idea. Yes.
That's all. Thank you. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
It would be all. Thank you so much for participating in our documentary.
That's all. Thank you. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much.
That's all. Thank you.
That would be all.
Thank you.